It is September here in northern Norway. Autumn. My second autumn here in the north. Autumn is short here, and in every moment you can expect the snow will reach the peaks of the mountains. And then we will go into a long and dark winter again. Last weeks I've been spending a lot of time outside with the children, picking berries, mushrooms and dry them. When the snow will come and cover everything around us, it will be difficult to reach our favorite places, so now we want to enjoy them as much we can. My brother-in-law, he knows a lot about mushrooms and he been learning me which one I can pick. In the beginning of 2022, I moved with my family to the island Andøya in northern Norway. Right now we are in the middle of the renovation of our old house. We've been spending our whole summer renovating every single day. Last week was a very happy moment when our wood stove oven arrived from Italy. The oven is so heavy that it took us many hours to get it in the house, and I think it will never leave the house anymore. I'm overexcited and can't wait to prepare the first pizza in the stone oven. When we were in the city to do some shopping, we've been looking for tiles behind and under the oven. We've been collecting a lot of stones from the river nearby and started to create steps in front of the house. We've been working on different projects in the house, leveling the floor and insulating walls. Soon the winter will start, so I took in the salted fish we've been drying in the summertime on the barn. We will use it in different dishes during the winter time. Our entrance will get a total makeover, and we are going to change everything in and outside. Now the weather was still good, we've been starting with the outer walls. In the meanwhile, it's the beginning of October and the first snow reached the top of the mountains. I'm grateful for the beautiful summer we've had, even if we've been working hard every single day renovating the house, and that was definitely very intense. And still there are a lot of unfinished projects. But I'm also looking forward to the next season and everything what it have to give. The winter here in the Arctic can be rough, but also have a lot of beauty and charm. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like to support my videos about our life in the north, please subscribe to this channel. In the description of this video, you will also find a link to my music on Spotify. I hope you have a beautiful autumn and I see you very soon again.